Time to get you a check of the forecast, and no surprise, we continue to be dry as we patiently wait for the start of our rainy season to kick in. The good news is for this Tuesday morning commute, there's no rain, there's no fog, nothing to slow you down, at least when it comes to weather. Later this afternoon, we're going to continue to see that wind come in out of the west as the sea breeze front kicks in. That will give us just a couple of passing clouds, and that breeze will help take the edge off the heat as we're once again today going to go up and above our average. We need the rainfall. Naples 5.24. Behind now for the year, almost erasing what little surplus we had here for the month of May. And Punta Gorda, with our dry conditions, will likely eclipse the 5-inch mark before we get a decent shot of rain here, which does show up in our 7-day. Our temperatures this morning way above our average of 70. We're sitting at 78 in the Cape, 77 in Fort Myers, so definitely off and running to a warm start. And later today, we'll see these temperatures get back in the low 90s. And already here early on this Tuesday, we're a degree or two ahead with the Immokalee up 4 from this time yesterday. The wind is light now, but later on today, as it starts to turn more out of the southwest and west in the afternoon, it will gust some 15 to 20 miles per hour, again helping to make it feel a little cooler along the coastline. And we'll take that because 93 is what we're forecasting here today, our average being 90, mid-90s inland. You factor in the humidity, and we're quickly going to get up and over the century mark with heat index values between 100 and 103. And overnight tonight, warm once again back in the 70s. Across the rest of the country here, waiting for some kind of shift in the weather pattern, and we're watching a storm system slowly march its way off towards the east. You can see the low up in the northern plains there, but the severe weather rocking parts of the Midwest here, western Kentucky, southern Illinois, and Indiana under a tornado watch box this morning. And as we move farther to the south along the same front, we've got a severe thunderstorm watch box out for Arkansas. These thunderstorms will continue to pull east towards the Memphis area later on, and it's this same cold front that will start to impact our weather possibly on Thursday. See this dip in the jet stream? It's not quite as far south as what it appeared it was going to be late last week, but it's far enough south that it'll push a weak cold front into the state. So for today, we're dry, but I want you to watch right along I-10. That's the cold front. As it begins to fizzle out and drifts towards the south, it might be just enough there to trigger some isolated showers and storms on Thursday. It's not a huge chance of rain. We're looking at 20% there on Thursday, 30 if you're being optimistic. We dry back out. We get hot to start the Memorial Day weekend, 95, and then another isolated chance of storms by Monday afternoon.